Welcome to a journey of transformation and rejuvenation. In this guided meditation, find a comfortable space where you can settle in, free from distractions. Feel the weight of the world lift as you gently close your eyes, inhaling deeply. Allow the air to fill your lungs like a warm embrace, and as you exhale, release all tension from your shoulders, neck, and face, sinking deeper into relaxation. Picture yourself enveloped in a warm cocoon of tranquility, ready to explore a world brimming with positive energy. As you breathe, visualize a beautiful golden light swirling around you, radiating warmth and positivity from the universe itself. With each breath you take, draw in this golden energy, letting it flow into every corner of your body. Feel it filling you from within, like sunlight illuminating a darkened room, spreading comfort and warmth to your spirit. On your exhale, let go of any remnants of negativity, stress. Worry and anxiety will melt away, leaving you lighter and freer. Shift your focus to the present, anchoring your thoughts in the now. Sense the vibrant energy circulating through you, invigorating your mind and body from the crown of your head to the tips of your toes. This energy is a constant source of power. It's your birthright, a treasure chest of positivity awaiting your access. Silently begin to recite affirmations, embedding them deep into your subconscious. I am surrounded by positive energy. I'm a magnet for positivity and abundance. When I release all negativity and welcome only uplifting thoughts, each phrase ignites a spark within you, transforming heaviness into lightness, darkness into brightness. Now bring your awareness to your heart center, the glowing anchor of your emotional and spiritual essence. Envision the golden light intensifying here, emanating warmth like sunbeams on a clear day. This is your core of positive energy, radiating outwards, sending waves of love and light into your surroundings. Embrace the understanding that this light is ever present, always within reach, awaiting your connection. Allow it to grow stronger, to illuminate your path, and guide you toward profound joy and abundance. When you feel ready, gradually awaken your senses. Wiggle your fingers and toes, and gently open your eyes. Carry the light of positivity and the energy you cultivated with you throughout the day. Thank you for sharing this moment of peace.